Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the tropical secret for healthy weight loss, and we'll be diving into an in-depth Exipure review. But before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Now, let's get started. You might be wondering, what is the tropical secret for healthy weight loss? Well, Exipure holds the key. It's a natural formula comprising a proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plants backed by clinical research. Scientists have recently discovered the real root cause of your belly fat, and surprisingly, it's not just about exercise or diet. They found a common factor in every overweight man and woman: low brown adipose tissue levels. Now, let's talk about brown adipose tissue, also known as brown fat. Contrary to its name, it's not fat at all. In fact, it's a fat shrinker. The brown color comes from densely packed mitochondria, which work 24/7 to burn calories. Brown adipose tissue burns up to 300 calories more than any other cell in your body. Exipure is composed of 8 clinically proven ingredients that increase calorie-burning brown adipose tissue levels. These ingredients include perilla, kudzu, holy basil, white Korean ginseng, amur cork bark, propolis, quercetin, and oleuropein. One of the key highlights of Exipure is that it's a natural formula. It's non-GMO, made from plant ingredients, and easy to swallow. Plus, it contains no stimulants, making it non-habit forming. Now, for our viewers, Exipure has a special offer. If you order 3 or 6 bottles, you get 2 free bonuses. It's an excellent opportunity to kickstart your journey to a healthier you. Concerned about trying something new? Exipure offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with the results, you can take advantage of the 180-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. Before we wrap up, let's address some frequently asked questions about Exipure. We want to ensure you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. That wraps up our comprehensive Exipure review. If you want more information, then click the link provided in description. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.